Hey guys, what a go on? Welcome back to my channel, man. Guys by Riverton. Yeah, today I'm gonna make some Jamaican cornmeal porridge. What I'm using is the fine cornmeal. Real fine. I don't want to use, of course, it won't take too long to cook. Sweetened condensed milk and regular whole milk, or you can use coconut milk if you like. Cinnamon, vanilla, sea salt, and some sugar. And sugar is optional. Some people just make it with just plain condensed milk and nutmeg. And you're going to need a small grater, for the nutmeg. Any kind you have will work. So what we're going to start by is to first we're going to bring, I have about a cup of water because I'm only making about a quarter cup of cornmeal I'm using. So I'm gonna add some milk. So you're gonna bring that to a boil, milk and water. And I'm going to add some cinnamon to that. And you can use the cinnamon sticks if you like. Those work great though. You get those, drop the cinnamon stick in the water and just let it boil up. So we're gonna wait until that comes to a boil. Alright guys, I'm back. So as you can see, water and milk is now boiling. So next step I'll do is add some water to the cornmeal mix. Just kind of mix it in. Just need enough water just to blend it all together. Now what we're going to do now is add this mixture right into the boiling water. Just gonna add this right in here. Just be careful with this, because it's going to start popping. It pop quite a bit. So you want to keep stirring it. So you want to keep your heat just a little bit below medium heat. I'll just let this stir. And I'll just keep stirring as it goes. And then I'll add a little bit of sea salt. And you just stir that in. If it's too thick, you can just add a little bit more, a little bit of water or milk. You're good. Right here, I'm gonna add a cap full of vanilla. And if you're cooking like maybe half a cup or more, you can add some more vanilla to it. You're just gonna mix that in. And keep your heat on low. And keep stirring. So now I'm gonna grate. Grate about a quarter nutmeg in there. You know, you can do nutmeg to taste. You know, I like a strong nutmeg flavor, so add a little bit more to it. But just do your nutmeg to taste. You know, you can make some adjustment to this too. Like, so you can use coconut milk, or you can use evaporated milk in there, or succotash or stuff like that, just modify the flavor. But I just like to make it without all the added stuff in there. As you can see, it's coming along. So I'm gonna start adding my condensed milk. Again, you can adjust this to taste, depending on how sweet you want it to be. And I'm just using what I had here before. Yeah, man, just keep stirring it. I'll give it a little taste. Wow, that's nice. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of light brown sugar. Just stir that in. Again, you can adjust your sugar and your condensed milk to taste, depending on how sweet you want it. So that looking good. I think I need a little bit more condensed milk. Get the right sweetness for me. Should be good. So let's go back and stir that in. And give it a quick taste. Yeah, that's just right. And until this is all done, there you have it, guys. Jamaican cornmeal porridge. You really have a taste now. Remember, this thing is hot. Alright guys, that's it. Jamaican cornmeal porridge. Thanks for watching. Don't remember to like, share and subscribe. And see you next time in the next video. Peace out.